Hello, my fellow artists. Today I'm doing a small mini unboxing, but if you've seen the title, you know what the main thing is today. But I thought I'd bring you along just to show you that these are indeed my first impressions. What have we here today? Oh, and there it is right on top. Yes, I am reviewing the Graphitint paint pan set by Derwent. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this as I unbox it. There you get 12 pans. It looks like a nice little travel thing. I have watched a few reviews. I am not good at not tearing these, especially when I'm trying not to tear up my nails. I think it was the lady on Color Bliss. She reviewed these along. She did like a comparison. Now, I don't have the Graphitint pencils. The only Derwent that I have are watercolor pencils, which they're all right. They're all right. This is nice, so you get a little color inlay, but I'm still gonna swatch these out, but it's nice to have those labeled. And then we get, it's got a little plastic film over the top. Hold everything nice and packed in there. That's good. All right. All right. And I am going to be swatching each of these out, and then I'm going to be doing an artwork with them. Oh, that's interesting. I just think they look like metal. In a weird way, they look like metal in there, like somebody's just cut off a chunk of, I don't know how to explain it. It's got that buffed metal look to it. And then it comes with a water pencil. Should I use this? I mean a brush. Okay, so that's if you travel with it, you can cap it. But then if you're going to use it, you just... Let me check out the tip on this thing. Definitely... Okay. Well, I will definitely fill this up. Alright, so let's test these out and get to swatching. Okay, so here we are, and I filled up my brush, and it softens up. Alright, so the first one is the Autumn Brown. And I did not pre-wet these because I wanted to see how well they lifted off the pan. I can tell you now, I mean, I think this brush is okay, but my practice with a water brush is kind of so I'm trying to get it to come down to see the transparency of it. I'm so tempted to switch to a brush, but we're going to test this out. There we go. We don't have to go all the way down. Wipe this off in between. There's my paper towels. The next one is Russet. Y'all, I don't know if I'm going to be pronouncing these names right because I've been making up my own words for stuff for a long time anyway, so. I will say that this one went on. I feel this one picked up and went on really nicely. Alright, maybe I'm starting to get the hang of it. Alright, the next one is Meadow. Okay. Meadow. This looks pretty. These are graphite. These are... Y'all, these are nice. And they feel so much like watercolor. So much like watercolor. I really like this. Wow, that's gorgeous color. Alright, Derwent. Alright. You're doing it. You're doing something right. Green gray. Oh wow. See, I've been really into doing tonals lately, more muted colors, and that's why I think I was really drawn to this set. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay, slate green. Interesting. Okay. I really do think this would make a good palette. We'll have to see. We'll have to see about, can we do an entire painting with these? So I'm going to be testing these out right after we swatch them. That's pretty. Oh, I could totally see that for ocean, grass, lake. That's gorgeous. All right. And in between, I'm just cleaning off my bristles. A little drop of water there. And this one is ocean blue. Oh, blue's my favorite color, so I have a feeling that, oh, this does not disappoint. It does not disappoint. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh. I'm gonna have fun with these. This color is steel blue. Steel blue. Kind of reminds me of a Payne's gray. Now that is nice. Wow. I like that. That is pretty nice and dark. Oh, dark indigo is our next one. Dark indigo. Ooh. Kind of a violet there. Nice. Is this Abergine or Aubergine? Don't know, but it sounds pretty. Let's see. What are you? Don't know if I've ever heard of that color. I think it might be a mineral. I don't know. Ooh. Okay, now that reminds me of like a moon glow almost color. Very nice. Those will make some nice shading. Juniper is next. Juniper. I have heard of juniper. Okay, maybe that one's more like Moon Glow. These two both have like a purplish lavender undertone. I'd say this is definitely a warmer, cool. I feel like this is a cool tone. I'm gonna have to let them dry just a little bit more. This is another thing I'm noticing as I'm painting with these. They seem to be drying very fast. Both in the pan and on the paper, so interesting. Okay, this one is called Port. Oh, okay. That's brownie. That's our brown. Mauve brown there. Okay. One last one is Graphite Gray. I wonder if this is going to be the darkest of the dark. Or what? This looks like a really dark gunmetal silver. That's all I can say. A very nice silver. Love that color. I'm ready for my hair to go that color. Some gunmetal silver. Okay. There we are. So now it's time to test these out. I'm not going to use this brush for my brush is great for travel and for swatching, but anyway, enough jabbering. Let's get to painting. Alrighty. So I previously sketched out this on Arches cold pressed. This is a 9x12, and I've taped it down to my cutting craft mat because I didn't have a tray big enough. So I'm going to pre-wet my sky, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up and be back with my final results and thoughts. Well, you guys, I absolutely love these. They feel and work very much like watercolor, but the way that they just effortlessly blend and just merge almost no matter what color you put next to what, it just looks good. I absolutely love these. These exceed my expectations. I highly recommend. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, because I do give more paint reviews, tutorials, and tips. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you the next time.